Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey guys, I picked up a $140 premium 1 ounce silver bar. So, what do I mean by that? It's a 1 ounce silver bar, so it is worth what silver is worth, which looks like it's closed around $82 an ounce today. And on top of that, it has a $140 premium value associated with it. So I want to show you guys that. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Oh, here's a little extra I picked up. It's a 925 little like Statue of Liberty with a real scary looking face here. Whoa. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's like a almost looks like a skeleton. Well, hello, Emerlou. I know. It's got a little loop here you can put on a necklace or whatnot. So just kind of a neat little bonus. 925 Statue of Liberty. Pretty cool. Set it back here with Uncle Sam. Seems fitting to me. All right, we got the guidebook of silver art bars here, 5th edition from Archie Kidd. So it is on page 181. And you know, I don't know about you guys, but I've been looking for these 1 ounce silver bars, just, you know, some of the rare varieties if you can find them. But just your basic, not really extremely rare bar, they're still going upwards of like 110 bucks on these auction sites or higher. And I think it's getting crazy. So I think that's good that the sentiment is good for silver, right? People think it's going to be going up. They're not. They haven't really lowered the prices a whole lot since the big, you know, $100 run up premium on silver. I think it was, what was spot. It got up to a little over 120. So the prices came up, but they really haven't come back down to where the current price is reflecting, from my experience anyway. I mean, you can find spot silver, some of the private groups and such on some of the social media platforms. But all in all, seems like the prices are still up there. I don't know what your experience is. I don't have a lot of good local coin shops that have this kind of thing. So it's tough. It's tough for me to find this stuff. So just some of the general mint. But yeah, the one I wanted to show you, talk about today, is this one listed down here. See this Tai Chi sword play? So it don't have a whole lot of information. I mean, it don't have the year or the amount that was made. It is a serialized bar, but you can see here the rarity value. It's $140. So really good premium bar. Why it's that high, I'm not real sure, because it doesn't tell you the amount that's out there. But for whatever reason, it's got a high premium. So I found one and I went ahead and picked it up, and I wanted to share that with you today. But yeah, silver is just it's just kind of all over the place here in the last month. Straight up, all new all-time high. We went past the 3-digit mark and then we came back down. So we're still waiting to find kind of a price discovery. But here it is. And my cat's playing in the blinds behind me. They're rattling. So the size of this bar does not fit in the capsules, or at least not the standard size capsules. So it's just in this little flip for now. This is serialized number 187. See if we can zoom in a little bit here. And we have the Tai Chi sword play bar 187. So you can see the people here, a little kumite action, so a little sword fight going on. Kind of got person here in the defensive position, turned away. And then we have the aggressor here coming towards, it looks like. And we got some writing. Different writing up there. I'm not even going to lie and pretend I know what that is, because I do not. I don't know if that is Chinese, I'm assuming. The Tai Chi. 187, and then I don't know who manufactures this bar. And there went the cat. She's all hyped up and wound up. 12-year-old kitten I got, it seems like. When you flip this over to the reverse, it's just a standard reverse. It's not inverted or anything. But we can see here, it'll focus in. Looks like we got an AM in the corner. And then we just got the dragon here. And then there's some writing below the dragon's tail. If I can get the JEMASI, that kind of looks like. Yeah, and then there's the, I think it's AM. Looks like AM. But yeah, really good detail on the dragon. It focuses in there. It's got some wild looking eyes. Between the eyes, it almost looks like an insect with the antenna there. Yeah, it's not wanting to focus on that too well. Get my fingers in here, maybe it will. But you can see down the body. It's got some details on it. The spine's pretty detailed. 5 claws on each dragon foot. I guess dragons have feet. The tail reminds me of a house centipede. But yeah, really neat details on there. Cool. It's got a cool reverse, and of course the obverse is pretty neat theme. So yeah, if anybody knows who makes these, I'd be interested to know. I've seen some rounds with the Tai Chi sword play as well. So pretty cool. All I know is what's in the book, and there's not a whole lot of information. Would be nice to know why the premium's so high. It kind of makes me wonder, it might be a low mintage bar. So really cool. First thing I did when I got it, I checked it out. It is authentic. I mean, it is silver. So that's pretty neat. Just zoom back out here. So yeah, I'd like to know, what you guys think. I enjoy seeing the pieces on here on YouTube when people find new stuff like this. It just kind of makes you excited to be on the hunt, and you learn what's out there. So fun stuff. I just took a break from doing my taxes. I'm not enjoying that at all. I'm still waiting on Fidelity 1099 dividend form. I don't know. I've got some Barrick Gold shares, and of course it's Canadian stock. But yeah, they've put me off 2 times now. So it was going to be delayed till February 8th. February 8th came and went, and now it says February 21st. So I'm hoping to get my taxes done just to see if we got any more money to spend on silver. Good times, guys. All right. Peace out.